मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि बहुत सारे मॉडल्स का कुछ ना कुछ यूनिक फीचर्स होते हैं, यूनिक वे ऑफ वॉकिंग, यूनिक वे ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन। सो अगर मैं नाम लूँ लक्ष्मी राणा, सो उनकी वॉक के अंदर ऐसा क्या है कि आज वो वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट इंडियन मॉडल है?
Lakshmi glides. Yeah. She doesn't walk. She's gliding on stage like a queen, you can feel her presence.
And what about Rachel?
I think her USP is her energy. Whatever she wears, she brings a lot of hotness to it, that's for sure.
And now Shimona.
She's just like effervescence of hotness. Little package, but she does such justice to the garment.
Welcome back to the next episode of Talk and Talk with Manu and Zender. So guys, आज हमारे साथ हैं the biggest model maker of India, the great Poojan Kapoor Sharma.
That's quite an introduction. I'm not so big, but anyway.
पूजन, आप है ना सारे शोज में क्लोजली देखते हो, फ्रॉम द रिहर्सल टू द शो, एवरीथिंग। मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि बहुत सारे मॉडल्स का कुछ ना कुछ यूनिक फीचर्स होते हैं, यूनिक वे ऑफ वॉकिंग, यूनिक वे ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, जो लोगों को पसंद आते हैं, ताकि उनको वो लोग बार बार में बुक करते हैं और दैट्स व्हाई दे बिकम ए सुपर मॉडल। सो अगर मैं नाम लूँ लक्ष्मी राणा, सो उनकी वॉक के अंदर ऐसा क्या है कि आज वो वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट इंडियन मॉडल है?
Lakshmi really deserves to be right where she is. Yeah. She's someone I've seen from her first shows to where she's arrived. As always, confidence was her biggest thing. Lakshmi glides. Yeah. She doesn't walk. She's gliding on stage like a queen, you can feel her presence. There is so much presence on the ramp because she is so composed. She's fully there. Everything is perfectly placed. The expression is correct. And she's gliding on ramp. You won't feel it's a walk. It's literally like she's on a conveyor belt and walking. And about Lakshmi, I've seen her backstage. Whether it was her first few shows or her shows now, her professionalism, whatever her outfit may be, she will come backstage firstly. A lot of big models don't do that. Once the alteration is done, they feel it's fine, they'll come only to wear the outfit. Lakshmi will make sure she will come back, she will recheck her garments to see they actually fit her. Why is she doing that? So that she's not uncomfortable on stage. No one's realizing that.
Even I never did it.
So you need to do that.
जो भी अच्छा सब Xander ने किया.
But Xanders are also one of my favorite models, by the way. Very professional, very very professional. But coming to Lakshmi, not only will she check her garments, she will then, like if you have an Indian outfit and you have a drape, she will stand in front of a mirror, put the drape one style, try it, put the drape another style, try it. So she works on her garments, so that by the time she comes for the ramp on stage where there's very quick changes, there's nothing left to chance. She is fully prepared, her garment fits her well, her drape she's worked, she's figured out when she stands, where and now it's become a part of her. She's right on top for a reason. Right. So professional.
And what about Rachel?
Rachel Barros is this vivacious Bangalore girl. I think her USP is her energy. Whatever she wears, she brings a lot of hotness to it, that's for sure. Again, she's someone who's very comfortable with what she's wearing, and she just has this aura of happiness around her. I think that's what works for her. Very hot girl though. Rachel is very, very interesting.
And now Shimona.
Shimona Nath. My sweet little Shimona Nath is a little package of energy. So that's the thing. Now, all the names you've taken, everybody has their own uniqueness.
Because everybody is so famous, and then people want to know that what are their few qualities which have made them famous.
Yeah, Shimona also is, see, for all three, the common factor is their confidence in themselves. Shimona also is she's just like effervescence of hotness. Little package, but she does such justice to the garment. You give her an Indian outfit, you give her a Western outfit, you give her a swimwear, whatever you give her, she looks comfortable in it. She walks with ease. She doesn't have so many years of experience, but you can't say it. It's just within her. She just walks with so much ease and will exhibit the outfit in such a way that it shows the parts that the designer wants. That's why she's a favorite. Like, she knows what the designer wants to show in the outfit, or she'll do justice to that.
Obviously, there are so many male audience as well of our channel, so let's talk about Bardeep.
Bardeep is a fabulous model. So good looking. His biggest fortune is his face, of course. Right. Once you see Bardeep's face, that's it. right? So he's blessed. He's also blessed with a lot of calmness, rather too much of calmness. Now Bardeep has changed a lot. He's chiseled his body. He's very focused. There's a big difference I've seen. I think the day Bardeep joined just for the lark of it, the day he decided that, he started working towards it. His whole attitude changed. For him, it was a huge attitude change.
Right.
From what he was to what, there's a lot of difference, and that's worked for him. There's focus, his walk is very casual, like there's a lot of ease in his walk. Casually very cool. So he's good.
There is one good friend of mine, Tony Luke.
Tony Luke is now
He's
doing
an-
movies, isn't
Yeah, he's actor now, but then
Tony, I've done shows with Tony. I was very, very, very fond of him. Very disciplined guy. That's what I know. I've done shows with him a while ago.
Yeah.
Very disciplined guy, a pleasure to work with. So he was not the kind of model who is sitting in a corner chatting, gone out for a smoke, doesn't know what's happening. Very, very focused, always knew what he's doing. A well-mannered, turned-out boy. And he would work hard, and that is, I think he shifted to movies now. I'm not sure.
Yeah, he's doing movies.
He's doing but he was always a pleasure to work with. Long time ago, I worked with him.
And now
Xander Martin
Why
is
Xander
unique
is
in his
always-
look. That's the first thing.
Yeah.
And he also is very professional. Xander always looks like a model. He makes that effort. Whether he's there for a rehearsal, whether he's there for a party, whether he's there for the show, for the day, for whatever, you can see that's a model standing there. It's always very well turned out. He's always standing straight.
with the bags and also.
With all his accessories and
day
everything.
Xander
We
came with
borrow
a
his
bag.
accessories.
एक दिन Xander बैग लेके आया बड़ा सारा बैग मैंने कहा बहुत अच्छा पता नहीं क्या लाया मैं
Accessories निकली होंगी.
I opened it कागज भरा हुआ था
Really?
नहीं but that's how you look good
Oh, to hold the bag
Accessorize.
together.
yeah just to get the
No, but
bag
that's
full.
what he always
that is important that you are a model. It doesn't
exhibit
mean
yourself as a
exhibit
model.
yourself.
Yeah.
The designers, everybody wants to see how you look with the bag.
Yes,
So get the
exactly. No, and also, you see, I may find someone nice where I'm out even having a coffee. It's how that person is standing. It's how that person's conducting him or herself. So if you want to be a model, it doesn't have to be only in the audition room. Once you've made it through, it doesn't have to be that now we're giving out garments. A lot of times what happens is when the newer models are standing, they see the senior models, standing very casually and all, and they also don't do that. That's what I tell all the younger girls and boys. When a designer is looking in a room of 40 people who to give the garment to, he starts giving garments to people he finds attractive for his clothes. So if he runs his eyes and there you are, like not bothered, he's going to pass you on and look at that person who's standing, holding like a model, girl, boy, whatever, but is standing like a model, standing tall. He's like, this one. So you can be at the end of the line, but get picked up to start an outfit. It's how you've conducted yourself.
See, so many resourceful insights for everybody we got. That having a good body is something which everybody has.
Everybody has
अब तो
nowadays.
plus size models भी आ गए हैं तो वो उसका कुछ रह नहीं गया है. Height criteria, we have talked about models who are
They also are
of
there.
all the heights. So height criteria नहीं है, body का इतना criteria नहीं है. The criteria is that all of these things,
Yeah.
which is important. Professionalism, आप कितना प्यार करते हो अपने profession से.
Exactly. It is a profession you've chosen. Worship it and do full justice to it. For me, I can turn around and say, I'm doing the same thing now for so many years. But for me, every project that I do, there's a prayer before it. There's a focus on it because it's a new project for me and I have to do it to my best. I can't sit back and think, ho jayega, isme kya hai, ye to karte hi hain. Cannot be that attitude. So for you as a model, it's what you've chosen to do.
Yeah, the fashion week is hectic. You have to be on your toes. You have to be model every second.
Every second be a model, even if you're going to watch a show. Have that little extra drum. Okay, so if you're going to watch a show and you've not made it in to the backstage, but you've made it to the audience, have that little extra bag with paper in it. It may be you have to have that little extra quality.
True.
That in an audience, we come out, the designer comes out, a stylist is there in the audience. Everybody should, whenever you step out, it should be like, whoa, who is that? There are people I go up to and say, where are you from? Would you like to model? There are. So always, you want to be a model? Be a model. It should be in your blood. But don't overdo it. Don't be melodramatic. Don't be over dramatic. It should be very stylized. And styling is not what others are doing, what is comfortable to you. You have to create your own style. That's important.
Let's talk about now, last but not the least, Manu Bora.
Manu Bora, okay, by the way, Manu Bora, most good-looking guy, where again got most of his shows for his face. Then he had the height. Then he walked well. Everything perfect. You've been right on top. Everybody has right to take you in every show because you had the package correct. The only reason where he stopped working was when he chose his profession, which I think was for the right reasons. So it is not that we left Manu, Manu left us, walked out to another field. हम
no,
बैठे
bro is still
देखते ही
here.
रह गए. अभी
Bro is
भी
still
if
here.
Manu says, I'm ready to do a show, I will make a call and say, okay, Manu's available for a show. Would you like to take him? He's still there.
I love fashion week, मजा आता है मुझे तो.
I also love Fashion Week. The energy is
And-
killer.
I think it's wonderful important because आपका जो एडवाइस था वो हम सब की जिंदगी में हम प्रोफेशनलिज्म में इम्पैक्ट किया है.
Oh,
हम
how
यही
sweet.
चाहते हैं कि
Thank you.
जो इंस्पायरिंग मॉडल बनना चाहते हैं, जो देख रहे हैं, हम ये चाहते हैं कि आई थिंक ये वॉइस उन तक जाए.
I would love to help a new model. If I see a potential and I see that you're serious about it, I'm there to help.
Message us on the Instagram,
Yeah.
your work, your pictures, and we will be sharing those pictures and videos with Poojan, and who knows, next supermodel, right?
Yeah.
Maybe we get a chance to work with you guys also. We'll end up this video.
Yeah.
I hope you like this content. And at the same time, if you guys have any doubts, questions, drop a mail or drop a comment or ask anytime. Feel free. See you. Goodbye for the next episode.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you.